I'm coming back with the daily power tips. And today's Wednesday, so we're going to go over Wisdom Wednesday. So one of the things that came to my mind when I was watching this video on YouTube that I also shared, just made me think about, the problems, because we got a lot of problems that's going on right now in our communities. And so it made me think, my wife and I were talking, it made me think of the word problem in Chinese. The word problem in Chinese actually is two characters. It's one T. These are two characters and they are basically problem. It's the same, it's like saying in English problems, right? And so if I look at the two characters that are with that define the word problem, if I look at them individually, it actually gives us a solution to the problems, right? So the first character, this basically means ask. So you ask. So it's to inquire. You want to ask, you want to inquire. The next one, this next character is T. It means topic. So the Chinese characters for the word problem is basically defined as ask about the topic. So I found it very interesting. So if you think about it, problem, the definition of problem, this is the solution. The solution to any type of problems, whether it be, the community problems, the COVID that we're going through right now, or even your health problems, the solution is to ask. Ask more questions. More questions about what? The topic. The topic that the problem is referring to. So if you have a health problem, the solution is within, that's what I'm saying, the solution is actually within the definition of the word problem. And so if you look at it, you're asking, the solution is to ask more. You want to ask more about that specific topic, that specific, conversation, that specific situation, that specific topic. That's the definition and that's the solution. So the solution is within the definition of problem. I thought this was pretty interesting. And so if you ever come into a situation where you have all these problems and you don't know what to do, look at the definition of it. The definition is the solution. The solution is to ask more questions. Ask more questions about the topic. Ask more questions. Just in general, ask more questions. We need to ask more questions these days. There's so much conflicting information. Nobody can say whose information is correct because none of us know. And so I don't know. But the solution is we all of us, I encourage all of us to ask more questions. That's the key. Always ask more questions. And when it comes to your own health, I hope that you're asking more questions. It's your body. No one lives in your body 24/7. No one's going to be responsible for your body 24/7. You're the only person that lives in your body. You should be the one who's asking the questions. And don't ever let anybody say, put you down for asking questions. You should ask more questions. It's your body, it's your health, it's your community, your family. You need to ask more questions. I encourage us all to ask more questions. Instead of doing the opposite, I see so much criticizing about different points when none of us have all of the data, none of us have all the facts. We should stop the criticizing of each other and get together and form a community to ask more questions. Because the more questions we ask, then it guides us actually to the solution. So that's, just a little, light bulb that went off when I was thinking about the word problem. So apply this to every aspect of your health, every aspect of your life, and definitely in what's going on right now with the pandemic. Apply it to your surroundings, your community. Ask more questions. All right, guys, this is Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable.